Hola mi gente, ¿qué lo que? Adivinen qué? Guess what? I have never tried the lock method as a curly girl. I've never tried it, not even once. I've been seeing a lot of talk about the new girls in town. These are by Donna's Recipe. You can find them at Ulta. Y vamos a intentarlo. Let's try it out. So basically, the lock method is leave-in, oil, and cream. Couldn't get the oil because the girlies sold it out. Yes. Thank you for that. But anyways, lo intentamos y these results, they speak for themselves. Thank you, Auntie Tab. And if you want to see how I got this wash and go and how I styled with these two products, the leave-in and the extra creamy hair cream, deja enseñarte. Vámonos. I'm gonna go in with an oil. I'm gonna make sure I like fluff, you know, pig, do all the good stuff, and we'll be right back. Lo vemos. Mi gente, se pasaron de bueno. Ustedes ven estos resultados. Hold on, let me zoom in. I need you guys to see this. Not to mention que estos productos, these products are vegan. They have no parabens, they're color safe, and to top it all off, they smell like Christmas, like Thanksgiving. It says sweet potato pie, but honestly, it smells like all your hopes and dreams. Everything you could ever dream of in a bottle. I don't know about you, but you better run, not walk, because baby,